welcome to Rectangular Royals. Today I'm going to be doing 2 card reviews and it's going to be a surprise. Okay, let's start. First we have our remote control truck, and it's very cool. You can put stuff on the back like stickers, like little stickers. Now let's move on to the remote control. Now it has stickers like it says full function and real tree, and it has like generators. And let's move on to where it does the stunts. Now moving on to our next transformer. Here's our transformer. It has the end in the back. When my mom and dad were trying to figure this out, they couldn't because my sister got this for me. And moving on to our remote control. Our remote control doesn't have much as the other one, but it just has up and down and transform. Now let's do this. It's off. Now I have to turn this one off because they can control the both of them. Okay. The wheel came off. Okay. Now it transformed. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? See the little head right there and the body and then the legs? That is awesome. And then it goes forward. Then it re-transforms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below. Bye!